Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys some of the items that I've actually purchased from Kmart, Daiso, TK Maxx, Target, Ikea, Curtain Wonderland, and much more. So I've actually put a video together for you guys. In that way hopefully I'll be able to help you out to give you some ideas what items that I've actually purchased that I'm going to be using in our house. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to find out what things I've actually purchased that I'll be using around my house, please keep on watching. So I actually decided to put a video together before I start putting things away. The items I'll be sharing with you guys are all the items that I'm going to be using around our house. Like we actually need a little bit of pop of colors around our house, and so let's start, guys. I'm actually gonna start with Kmart. You know how you guys, I love shopping at Kmart. You know, they've actually got a very nice range of you know, things that you've actually needed for your house, and they're actually very affordable. So I've actually bought hangers. I've actually bought 3 sets of these hangers, guys, and they only cost me $2 each, and you actually get 12 hangers. With our hangers in the wardrobe, I actually, as much as possible, I like them in the same, like I actually like them in the same color. In that way it's actually very pleasant to see it when you open your wardrobe. Round rope floor basket with handles large. I'm actually thinking about putting this in our lounge next to our entertainment unit, where I can just put, you know, like the throw rugs or small blankets on this basket here. In Australia, guys, it's actually winter, so it gets pretty cold. Okay, I also bought a couple of these called the circular pot stand in black color. I got a vase that I'm gonna be thinking about putting it on this stand. Be showing up on the screen now the vase that I've actually purchased from Kmart. I've actually started using that vase. Purchased that for $12. Uncle brand, and it's the 3-drawer chest. So I'm actually thinking about putting all our folded clothes in here inside our wardrobe, and also got this 4-section hanging organizer with a clothes rail. This one here, this is the only one that I've actually purchased from Target. It's called the Pebble Oval Bath Mat. So this is how it looks like, guys. So it's actually got those suction thing at the back. So that's what it looks like, and I did purchase this from Target. So I actually uses this when my son's in the shower. In that way, you know, just to avoid any you know, sleeping in the shower. And that the one that he had, which is, he had it like years ago when he was really young, it actually worn out now, so I've actually ending up getting him a new one. This Incense, which is the lavender fragrance, guys. So you actually get 40 sticks and also the stand for $2.95. I'll be showing up on the screen now, guys, because I've already started using those Kmart vase, and also the flowers that I actually did purchase from Curtain Wonderland. So all the flowers are actually very beautiful, and they're actually very affordable when they're actually gone down to 50% off. And so they're actually a very good quality artificial flowers, and it actually made a big difference when I actually put those in our lounge. It actually giving our house a little bit of you know, a little bit of pop colors in the lounge. And also this one, they also had this on special, and I think I only purchased this for $2. I think it was just like the clearance that they had on the counter. It's actually a really nice pop of color that I thought it will be really nice to put it in our dining table. I've already got another two things that I've actually got on my dining table, but this is actually another one that I wanted to put in. And also another piece that I've actually purchased from Curtain Wonderland when they were also on sale. This is, I've actually purchased this for, so it was originally retail for $12.95 and it was 50% off. This is actually a really nice piece. I started using this as well. I did put this already in our lounge table. I'm looking for decorations. I always like everything to be affordable because it does adds up. Things that I've also picked up from Ikea. These ones here, guys, they're $5 each. I bought this from Ikea, which is their storage containers. I'm thinking about putting all our summer clothes in here, and then vice versa. You know, when it's summer, we put all our winter clothes in here, and then also the other things that we're currently not using, and then I just put them on the top shelves of our wardrobe. They're actually quite big. They also come in a variety of colors too, so they cost $5. So it was actually very reasonable, and it's quite huge. Okay, so in here, guys, I've actually purchased this from Daiso. So this is their 7-in-1 hanger folder. So this one is another, they're like $2.85, guys, and this is another organizer, which is called the turning long hook. So I reckon it's actually a very good idea, you know, maybe just to hang it on the back of your door. I mean, obviously you're gonna need another one to hook it up on behind your door, but other than that, you can actually use this to hang on your wardrobe. You know, if you actually wanted to put your you know, if you wanted to put your your bags. Other thing that I've picked up from Daiso is this one belt hanger. This is going to be organizer for my son, for his belts and for his ties. Okay, also this one too from Daiso. I'm actually also thinking about using this as the stand for my vase and the flowers that's currently sitting on the floor. I mean, I'm just gonna have to try to see which one looks good, this one or the one that I purchased from Kmart, because the one from Kmart, they're a little bit taller. So I'll just see which ones looks better. So my son wanted me to get this one for him. It's like a reward stickers. He loves getting reward stickers when he's actually you know, doing really well at school, you know, like rewarding him, you know, if he's done a good job at home. The smartphone, tablet, and a PC touch pen. So, and also he wanted me to get this also, which is called the cable holder, so he can actually organize all his cords as well. Okay guys, so the last items I've actually purchased from, can you guess where, guys? From TK Maxx. Yeah, a couple of these, which is the over the cabinet towel bar. So I'll be using one for hand towel and the other one's for tea towel to wipe all the dishes and that. Also got this one. I thought this is actually a great idea. It says easy funnel bottle to bottle, and this from TK Maxx. It's actually retail for $6.99, and it's the suction sink sponge and brush holder. So with this one, I'll just be using it for a sponge here, to put the sponge here, so in that way, you know, you'll be able to drain the excess soap after washing the dishes. I bought these diffusers. They're actually, oh my gosh, they actually smell so nice. It's a jasmine fragrance. You can actually test it. I did test out because I love jasmine fragrance, guys. And this is actually retail for $12.95. I'll be using this in my filming room because the one I've got is actually run out. And I did bought a couple of these because I know that they're going to be running out, and I don't know if they're going to be restocking this particular fragrance again. So that's the fragrance here, and that's your sticks here. This series, and this is actually the smartphone tripod with Selfie Light. So this actually retail for $9.99, and also what it stated on the box, it's actually perfect for live streaming, video chats, reading, and more. And also the light has 3 levels of brightness, and you just need two AAA batteries. Taking out of the box, guys, so this is actually the actual tripod. So it's a very small tripod, and this is your light, and then that's where the battery goes, and this is the actual mobile phone, or this is how it looks like, guys. You can even use it as your you know, if you want to do like vlogging, photo, there's a handle there, so it doesn't have to be on a stand. Yeah, so I reckon this is actually a good idea, so we'll be able to use it. It's called the peel, wash, and prepare. You're peeling out any fruits or veggies, a multi-use, and it's a really great idea to have it in your kitchen. Pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Below also what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.